Oil paint can be used to smear the design very quickly. Just set the value to 5 or 6, 2.8 and click OK. But how to create this noise design in the first place in Photoshop, all in under 2 minutes. Select a layer, then go to Filter, Noise and Add Noise. Set it to the max, Gaussian and click OK. Then go to Filter and Filter Gallery, down to Distort and use Glass. Set them all to the max, so 200, 15 and 20, and also select a texture of Canvas. Then click OK and apply that 3 or 4 times. The result looks, well, quite rough. What you need to do, go to Filter and Stylize and Oil Paint. Set the stylization about 6, cleanliness about 3 and click OK. That creates a lot smoother design. And apply again oil paint 3 or 4 times. You might like to go to Image, Adjustments and Levels just to brighten it up a bit. And click OK. You can also use this design as a displacement map. Go to File and Save it as a document Photoshop format. Once you've got that, you can then go to Filter and Filter Gallery and again use Glass, but this time go to the Texture, right side menu, click there and Load Texture and select the file and load. Again, have all these settings to the max and click OK. And then you've got a really abstract, colourful design very quickly in Photoshop. And again, you might like to go to Filter and Stylize and Oil Paint just to smear it a bit. Click OK. And again, you might like to recolour it or brighten it up. Image Adjustments and Levels and click OK.